sewer camera inspection at 4737 East Emilita Avenue in Mesa, Arizona. Single clean out here, ABS clean out at the front of the property on the north side of the home. I'm expecting probably a 2 clean out. It goes both directions in the ground. Uh-oh. I've got some cockroaches. So we're going to go down and go out to the city first. Got some water running in the south bathroom. Let's see, got some issues that might interrupt our flow. Definitely had a lot of cockroaches. So, older neighborhood. Chance that your neighbors have some broken windows or something like that goes up, and then there's a possibility that there's some contact in the city line. A bit of a drop there. See the cockroaches are running. See cockroaches. You know, it's probably been vacant for a while. That's probably why there's so many cockroaches in the line. And that's that back bathroom that we turned on before the inspection. So your ABS line's doing okay. You might want to do a little bit of ABS cleaning, hydrojet maintenance. It's not a lot of debris in the pipes, but there is a lot of cockroaches. Might want to just get these pipes cleaned out to take away the food material for those cockroaches so they don't keep coming up the pipe looking to eat. Take away their food source, you might take away them. They might leave then. You can see all the eggs in the cracks there on the left hand side too. Those are your cockroach eggs.